there's an external module that I was going to talk about today. It's just called export permission roles and data access group. So if we're in this project and we just go to external modules, and then we'll enable a module. And then I'm just going to type export. And so it's this one here. The documentation is comically sparse. Basically, what it does is it just gives you a way to export the user information, just the username, the user role, the user data access group, and if there's an expiration date on their user account or for their project access. And what that does is it gives you this export permissions menu option. So if we click on that, this is all you really have to do. It just gives you an option to download. So you click on download, you tell them where you want it to download, and then it downloads. And if we look, so has a username. I don't have any roles in my project. That's another way you can limit functionality for users, is by giving them certain roles. Like, certain users can see certain forms, or they can do certain actions. Some may be able to add or delete, that kind of thing. So that's another way you can limit user functions. The data access group here, and then the expiration date. It's very lackluster for this project, but that's one of the reasons I had Terry look up this other project, because this is the export for that. And you can see here, so it's got over 300 users. It just has their usernames, and then it has the role. So this project actually has different roles, their data access groups, and if there's any expiration dates on their project access. And you can see here that for San Francisco, or for this, they had a comma in their data access group. So what REDCap does is, because it's just generating a CSV, it automatically delimits on commas. It's comma separated value. It just moved this over to a new column, and that's why these are off like this. And there's a few instances here like that. So that's basically this external module.